Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use money.com for planning. So you can literally plan anything using built-in templates in money.com. So all you have to do is under main workspace you have to click this blue button and then click choose from templates, and here you have to search for planning, and you'll get a lot of templates like student planning, game party planning, event planning, campaign planning, marketing team planning, succession planning, podcast planning, and a lot of templates like project management and campaign planning, content planning. So you can choose any template according to your needs. For example, if you want to plan podcasts, you can select this template and you can click use template and it will set up. So guys, as you can see, I selected this podcast planning template and it is now set up, and I can plan all of my podcasts here. I can add their status, like if it is done I can add done. If I'm working on it I can add this status, and I can add all of my podcasts here, podcasts for content creation in preparation, and I can add a lot of things. Basically I can add manage all of my podcasts here. So you can use any template according to your need, and you can plan all of your events. So I hope this helps. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.